This is a 2008 BMW 328, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a multi-link rear suspension, the Sport Package, a glass moonroof, heated front seats, alloy wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, interior wood trim accents, fog lamps, a stability control system, halogen headlights, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.